Hi, my name is Zeyuan Ye, and today I'm going to have my midterm presentation for ENGR200CP about my company making the eye tracking system in FPV racing quadcopter. Before I start, I want to do a quick recap about why I would like to implement eyeball tracking system in FPV quadcopter. There are three main reasons. First, make the quadcopter more intelligent and easier to operate. 2. Help filmmakers get better shots in a convenient way. Third, introduce more people into this hobby. What resources or skills do I need? In order to start my business, of course, I need some resources or skill sets to help my success. Since I'm a mechanical engineer, I have the skills to do the product development, but I also need to hire someone else to form a team in order to allocate different tasks and associate to the development of the product. However, I'm not an expert in financial service. In order to keep the company running smoothly and maintain a healthy cash flow, I have to find some expert in the field of finance. Another important resources I need is the access to legal service. Since our product is an add-on for quadcopters, there are lots of regulations including airspace control from FAA and frequency control from FCC. A legal team is definitely needed to deal with all regulations and legal clearance. Number 4 is the creation of business network. Sometimes cooperation between companies could have a positive outcome, and a company cannot be easily success if the company is working on its own. So a platform of creating business networks come to an important role. Since my product is related to quadcopters, if we are able to have a connection between DJI, which is the lead of the company in the market of UAVs, we may be able to accelerate our product development process and get some insights from engineers at DJI. The last one is pricing strategies. A good pricing could help the company gain more profit and maintain a healthy cash flow to keep the company operate. An expert in marketing and pricing is a must for my company. Here comes the part of human resources. There will be three main ways for me to find experts that could help the company growing. First is LinkedIn or other similar business and employment online services. There are lots of people on those websites with different skill sets that we can choose and employ. The second one is online blogs and Facebook groups. Since quadcopter have been a hobby for me for more than 10 years, I know lots of people with excellent skills in electrical and mechanical design, and they often post some innovative and useful project they create on blogs or Facebook groups. In this case, keep an eye on those websites can give us a great chance of finding an expert that we need. The last is another similar companies. By providing a better wage or employee benefits, we can try finding some experts from other similar companies with skill set desired and have experience in the same field of work. The product feature prioritization will include four main parts: safety, stability, easy to use, and closed source. Because the product is going to be used with quadcopters, safety will be the priority besides all other features. If the product cannot be stable enough and ensure the safety of users and people around it, we are not going to put it into the market. Safety and stability would also be our main selling point of our product, since it makes the quadcopter much easier to handle and operate. We are increasing the safety features of the quadcopter itself as well. Easy to use will come next. The first generation product is going to be an add-on to existing FPV goggles, so an easy installation and operation would be required. The last is closed source. We are going to add extra protection to the base code of our product to ensure the user cannot access those codes and change the functionality of the product, because changing the code could make the product become super dangerous for users and people around it. There will be 6 steps involving the rollout plan for my product. First, gather information or insights from potential customer. By doing this, we can have a better understanding about what customer needs and what they are looking for, as well as how they would react to this product. Second, product development based on the feedback. After we do the first step, we can get a clear view of how we design the product based on customers' taste. On the second step, it should be pretty straightforward by implementing those feedback into our product development process. Third, develop a good packaging. From my point of view, packaging is the primary advertising the customer will see. So we are doing the packaging development. We must understand the feedback from customers and try not to reinterpret the direction. And multiple packaging options should be considered to find the direction that is most motivating and distinctive. 4 and 5 would be goes into the market and develop advertising and introduce promotions. This will be the steps that we actually put the product into the market. Advertising and promotions will be developed to attract customers to purchase the product. 6. The last step is to listen to customer reviews. When we sell enough quantity of products, we should listen to reviews or feedback from customers and make updates or small changes to our product in order to make it perfect. This will be the end of my presentation. Thank you for your time.